What's the meaning of air-to-air? Air-to-air. 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 Air-to-air.
Air-to-air is a term used in aviation to describe a type of military combat or missile operation that involves aircraft firing at other aircraft. Typically, this refers to the use of guided missiles, which are designed to track and strike enemy aircraft while they are in flight. The goal of such an attack is to neutralize the opposing air force, gain control of the airspace, and protect friendly ground forces. Air-to-air combat can be highly dangerous and requires extensive training and skill on the part of the pilots and ground crews involved.